It's easy to get started with Hour of Code. You begin by clicking on the link provided to you, and it will open the codehs.com site right to the beginning lesson. You can choose to watch the video from the CodeHS site or from YouTube. It really doesn't matter. Whenever you're ready, just hit play. The video will begin to
In this
play.
video, we'll be going through an introduction to Carol.
So you'll watch the video, get to the end of the video. There are instructions on what to do. You click continue. Then you have your first example just to look at. One thing I wanted to point out to you that you can switch between the block view, this is the block view, and the code view, which enables you to type your code directly. So you can choose the block view, which lets you drag code, or the code view, which enables you to type code. Okay, once you've completed the lessons, you just click continue in the upper right corner. This is the first program, so you can click switch to the block view and drag your functions in, and you will learn all about this when you watch the video. The other thing I wanted to point out to you is you just simply choose run to watch your code run what you've told it to do. So don't forget to do that. And at the end, submit and continue. Mine was wrong, but we know that. I didn't complete it. And you would just continue through working through the code. And actually I see I couldn't continue because my code was wrong. So all of these lessons at the bottom here comprise the entire hour of code. So as you click continue and you work through it, you will continue through all of the lessons. Here's another lesson, and there's another video here that you can choose to play, and you just keep clicking through your lessons by not clicking on the bottom here like I am, but rather by clicking on the continue buttons that you will find in the sort of the middle of the page. So it's pretty simple to get started. So happy coding.